Do you want to create video in text effect in your Android phone? It's so easy. Follow my steps carefully. First, open the Editor application. Then click the plus icon in the bottom. Then click New Project. Select video that you want to put inside the text. Then click the arrow in the bottom. Click the text icon to add new text. Then click Text. Then click Mask. Write anything you want, and adjust the size of the text. After that, drag the text layer as your video width. Then click Export. Save to album. Thank you for watching. That is all about today's video. For more best videos, please subscribe to my channel and turn the notification.